This is one of our 84-inch wide skid steer buckets with the bolt-on edge. These are extreme heavy duty buckets, really well built, with the square tube frame on top, rolled floor, reversible cutting edge, bolt-on side cutters, reinforced backing plate for the quick attach, reinforced underneath, wear bars underneath too. Just real heavy duty buckets. We've got different sizes from 66 up to 84-inch wide with teeth and bolt-on edges in stock here in Denver at reduced prices, as we're just trying to clear out some inventory.